Good afternoon, dear traders.
Hello, welcome to ИнстаФорекс economic news channel with us, Ekaterina Stikhina
and Tahmina Salomova.
You are watching weekly overview of the currency and commodity markets for the last week.
What is the news from the currency markets?
The European shared currency lost ground against its rivals on Friday.
And what sparked their bearish mood?
A news report which said the European Central Bank may not have a plan to reduce monetary stimulus until December. At the same time, the dollar traded higher against a basket of the other major currencies, despite a weaker than expected US jobs report which emphasized skepticism over the possibility of a third rate hike by the Federal Reserve System this year. Euro changed hands at 1.1864 versus the dollar. The shared currency weakened by 0.5% of the week against the greenback. But since the start of the year, the euro has gained nearly 13% against the dollar. The US economy created 156,000 jobs in August from the prior month, while the unemployment rate ticked up to 4.4%. Experts had expected 180,000 new jobs and an unemployment rate of 4.3%. The report indicated that the Federal Reserve may be more hesitant to raise interest rates again before the end of the year. The greenback found some support after another report from the Institute for Supply Management showed that manufacturing activity in the United States hit a 6-year high in August. In other currencies, the Canadian dollar continued to move up against the American counterpart, aiding to impressive gains on Thursday. The stronger than expected report on gross domestic product sent the loonie sharply high against the dollar. On Friday, the Canadian dollar strengthened further to 1.2386 compared with 1.2486 late Thursday. The loonie's weekly gains was 0.8%. Meanwhile, the British pound accelerated against the dollar, hitting 1.2955 as the UK's manufacturing data for August unexpectedly hit a 4-month high. Against the yen, the dollar gained 0.8% over the week. This is all about the currency moves for now. What about the mood and commodity markets?
In the commodity market, oil prices ended a bit higher on Friday, but recorded the weekly lows.
What pushed the quotes down?
Energy markets continue to whine what the impact of Harvey would be on crude production and refinery demand in the Gulf of Mexico region. The used West Texas Intermediate October futures closed at $47.29 a barrel. Prices fell to the lowest mark since July 24th at $45.58 on Thursday, before recovering and ending the session up by about 2.8%. The rise of oil prices in the second half of the last week failed to offset earlier losses, as U.S. crude futures finished the week down by 1.2%. At the same time, Brent oil futures for November delivery dropped to $52.75 a barrel. The week was closed with a gain of 0.6% due to Thursday's rise of 4.2%. In the meantime, gold prices jumped on Friday, scoring a weekly gain of more than 2%. After closely watched statistics from the U.S. job market revealed slow late summer hiring and almost zero wage growth. December gold futures settled at $1,330.40 an ounce. It marked its highest close since late September of last year. The precious metal posted a weekly advance of 2.5%.
Ekaterina, many thanks for the commodity market review. You have watched ИнстаФорекс weekly review of the currency and commodity markets with us, Ekaterina Stikhina
and Tahmina Salomova.
Take care and goodbye.
See you soon.